Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Pa da pa ma pa re ga ma pa. Pa da pa ma pa re pa ga sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials. Thank you.